Through Fulcrum's incredible REST API, users have the ability to build scripts that automate their workflows. This reduces the amount of time having to find very important data in day-to-day work. In this demo, I'll quickly run through an example of a utility pull program manager using Fulcrum's record API to identify and pull records collected by the foreman in the field. Currently, we're looking at the Fulcrum Records record list field, where back office managers and field workers can see data collected by those in the field and can also make edits and changes to that data. With each record being an inspection, we can scan the map and identify pertinent records with their status, such as seeing yellow as incomplete, green for pass, and red for fail. Each field contains pertinent details around the pull and can help to understand the reason the foreman set the status to pass or fail. Now, Fulcrum does allow users to filter Fulcrum fields. Specifically, we can filter for the status field and then leverage the download data button in the right-hand corner of the interface. This will allow us to export those records and photos. However, organizations using Fulcrum today do find that filtering and downloading data and reports can be very routine and may take up some time in one's day. Therefore, we can build scripts that run on a hosted environment like AWS or Azure to perform routine external data syncs that push reports and tables to one's computer, a SharePoint drive, an EAM platform, or maybe a CRM system. In this example script, and using Fulcrum's REST API, we're going to fetch Fulcrum records and create a CSV table of all failed and passed status polls for today, and understand what needs to be properly informed to the utility company around those polls. Also, by extracting data automatically, it can ensure a client deliverable is prepared and ready to be sent to their inbox. Let's go ahead and see how this is possible. Coming to the command line, I'll run node to help perform the action of generating the files. In less than a second, we have pulled the information we need to review for the passed and failed records. Now we can open the CSV file in Excel, and we can see the two records that failed inspection. This allows us to quickly understand the issues that occurred. Great. In this demonstration, we quickly went through how Fulcrum can automate a process through Fulcrum's powerful REST API. This allows users to gain back time in their day and can ensure everything is running smoothly without the worry of trying to find and sift through data. I hope you found this demo helpful in the many ways it can help your organization around their daily activities. If you're interested in talking more about how Fulcrum can help automate your current workflows for data collection, be sure to reach out to us through our contact page located on our website at www.fulcrumapp.com. We'd be happy to help tailor a solution for your needs and use cases. Thank you.